Hey everyone, it's Neda. Today I'm drawing a cartoon face. I'm starting with a circle and a simple guideline. Then adding basic shapes for the face, eyes, brows, nose, lips, and ears. I draw a side part in her hair. Then add 2 round shapes for the ears and 2 lines for the neck. A simple shape for the hair and shoulders, plus 2 ovals for her earrings. And it's ready for details. I draw 2 bold lines above the eyes for the top lashes and complete the eyes details. I sketch her eyebrows lightly with short lines. Then I add details to the nose and lips. I refine the face and side parted hair and draw the details for the ears and earrings. Inside the hair shape, I add flowing curves to style it nicely. I add some shadows to the sketch and softly color the skin. I darken the top of the pupils and lighten the bottoms. It gives them a soft shine. Following the sketch lines, I color the hair. Then I add highlights with a lighter tone. For the final touches, I add some hair strands. Let's color the earrings and the drawing is done. I hope you liked this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you like to see next. See you soon!